Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how strong China's Navy is. We'll explore its impressive growth and current capabilities, which have significantly reshaped the global naval landscape. China's People's Liberation Army Navy, or PLAN, has undergone rapid modernization, becoming a formidable force. We'll cover its size, key assets, and strategic advancements, providing a clear picture of its strength. China's naval strengths are notable, particularly in its shipbuilding capacity and advanced technology. The plan boasts a large personnel count, supporting its extensive operations. Its surface combatants are equipped with a substantial number of vertical launching system cells, enhancing missile capabilities. The new Fujian aircraft carrier represents a significant leap, utilizing electromagnetic catapults for efficient aircraft launches, a technology shared by very few navies globally. When comparing China's Navy to other global powers, particularly the United States, a nuanced picture emerges. While China has more ships, the U.S. Navy maintains an advantage in total displacement tonnage and extensive operational experience. However, China is quickly advancing, especially in destroyer production and integrating cutting-edge technologies like electromagnetic catapults. The plan is also enhancing its submarine force to establish a robust, sea-based nuclear deterrent, signaling its long-term strategic ambitions. Looking ahead, China's Navy is set for continued expansion and modernization. Projections indicate a fleet of 6 aircraft carriers by the 2030s, potentially including nuclear-powered designs, further extending its global reach. The overall battle force is expected to grow significantly, making it the world's largest navy by 2035. This ambitious growth underscores China's commitment to becoming a preeminent naval power. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.